Hello dear students, so today we are going to learn about the lesson number 4 from your computer book, that is called personalizing Windows. So what is Windows? Windows is an operating system. Okay, so you know every computer needs an operating system to run and operate the functions. So Windows 7 is also an operating system that is based on GUI, graphical user interface, and it is provided to us by the Microsoft company. So in this lesson we will get to know that how we can customize some functions on our computer using Windows 7. Okay, so the different components of Windows 7 which help us to interact with computer are desktop, icons, shortcut, taskbar, start button, start menu, show desktop, and date and time. These are the main components main components that we can see when we turn on a computer using Windows 7. Okay, so what is a desktop? The desktop is the first screen which appears when we turn on a computer using Windows 7. Desktop is, look here in this picture, this is the screen of a desktop. This is the first screen you can see whenever you turn on a computer. Okay, so this whole screen is called desktop. Icons. Now comes the icons. What are icons? Icons are the small graphical representations of various files or folders, programs or applications. So icons are these graphical representation, these small graphical representations, these are called icons. Shortcuts. Now comes shortcuts. What are shortcuts? Shortcuts are links to any items stored on the computer. Shortcuts takes us to associated programs quickly. So shortcuts are some links that we can create on our desktop to access the programs quickly. Okay, these are called shortcuts. Shortcuts looks like icons also. Okay, they make our works easy and save our time. So shortcuts make our works easy. We do not have to find the programs on all over our computers. They make us directly to the designated program. Then comes taskbar. Taskbar helps to manage the currently active programs opened in different windows. So what is taskbar? Look at this picture. This on the bottom side of the screen, this is a long bar. This bar is called the taskbar. So what does taskbar do? Taskbar help us to manage the currently active programs. Look at the picture. There are some running programs on the computer. So we can manage these programs. Through this taskbar. Okay. So now comes the next component, that is called start button. So start button is known as the gateway to Windows and its programs. We can work with any applications or settings by using its different options. So start button is this button, this Windows button that you can see here. This is called the start button. Okay, so from here we can go to any programs or application that are stored in the computer. Okay, now comes the next component, that is called start menu. Start menu helps us to quickly go to the recent used programs and settings. So now comes the next component, that is called start menu. Start menu looks like this. Look at this picture. This is the picture of start menu. Start menu looks like this. So start menu has divided into two panes. There are left pane and right pane. So start menu consists of the recent programs and settings that we used early. Okay. Windows 7 has a new feature called Arrow Pick, by which we can quickly go to the desktop by pressing the show desktop button on the right bottom corner. So there is a new feature in Windows 7 that helps us to quickly go to the desktop. This function is called Arrow Pick. look at this picture. This is the picture of taskbar. So in the far right corner of the taskbar we can see the little icon, little button, that is called show desktop. By clicking this we can go quickly to the desktop. Okay, on the right side of the taskbar, current date and time is displayed, and we can update it by simply click on it and then change it by our preference. And on the left hand side of the show desktop button we can see the date and time tab. By clicking on it we can customize the time and date by our preference. Okay, we can change our desktop background, and we can also change our desktop backgrounds. Desktop background means the desktop wallpapers that we see. There are some commands to change the desktop background, then you have to read by yourself. Okay, we cannot read all of the command lines here because otherwise the video will get too long. Okay, and we can set a screensaver also, and we can set screensavers on our Windows PC also. Okay, screensavers, what are screensavers? Screensavers are some animations which gets enabled when the computer remains switched on for specific time. So what is a screensaver? Screensaver are some animations that gets enabled when the computer remains switched on for a specific time. So there are also some commands to enable the screensaver on your computer that you have to read by yourself. Okay, we can also change the color scheme of our computer, and we can also change the color scheme of our computer. What is color scheme? When you use an computer that runs on Windows 7, you can see the blue colored appearance on every Windows. So this is called the color scheme of the operating system. We can also change them, and we can also add or remove a gadget from our desktop, and we can also add some gadgets on or remove some gadgets from our desktop window. Gadgets are mini tools which can give us quick access to information such as weather, CPU speed, news, etc. So what are gadgets? Gadgets are some mini tools that helps us to get quick access to information such as weather forecast, CPU speed, or news headlines, etc. So this is the picture of the gadget window. These are the gadgets that we can get in Windows 7 with our Windows 7 operating system. Some gadgets are named as calendar, clock, CPU meter, currency, feed headlines means news headlines, picture puzzle, slideshow, weather, Windows media also. There are some commands also to set any gadgets or remove any gadgets in our Windows 7 desktop that you have to read by yourself. Okay,